Hi everyone, it's Wendy Lee. I'm back with a haul for you today. This is a collective haul and it's just a bag that I've been putting things in that I wanted to show you. So I can't quite remember. I mean, once I see the item, I'll know where it came from, but I don't know all the stores. I know definitely there's like there's a couple items from HSN and and there's also a couple of items from Amazon. But, oh, I want to grab something so I can show you what I did with one of the items from Amazon. Hold on, guys. Okay. So one of the things that I got from Amazon was I was looking for a way to like neatly organize my, scrap paper because it was making me crazy. I had like this big huge pile of it. So I got this big old thing of envelopes. They're like plastic bags, which I'll take one out and show it to you. I'll actually show you the organized bags. So what I did was each of them have a color at the top. And so what I did was I was like, okay, this is red. All the reds are going in there. Here's all my white scrap paper. Here's my blue scrap papers, you know, and so on and so forth. So that way it's like super easy to spot. Like here's my yellows and my pinks. Pinks is big. I must really like pink. So anyway, I thought that was a good way to like store it, and I tried to match the color of the paper to the top of this, so like to the top of these, so like visually no matter what I can just tell like what colors are in there. It didn't always work out. Like here's some multicolored paper and I put it in it had a clear one at the top. So I love those. I'm so glad I got those, and they can be used for so many different things, and I have a lot left over that I can store stuff in. So you should have seen how big my pile was, and now it's just condensed to this. So super happy about that. Then I got some dies from KS Craft. So let's see. Let me take them out. Hold on. I got a few of them. Okay, so I got these shoes, which I thought like they're these boots. I'll take them out. I thought those would be super cute to decorate for Halloween, and I've got like a Halloween or like a fall / Halloween thing coming up for June or July. I think it's June. Of course, this doesn't want to open, but look how cute those are. So I got those. And then what else? There's more KS Craft here. Oh, I got this super cute luggage. So it's like a rolling piece of luggage. And then I got, what is this one called? 3D drawers. So this makes this huge like box with a bunch of drawers in it that you could make stuff with. And I got this one, which makes a memory dex. Let me see if I can show it to you. Which makes a memory dex, but it also has a die that says shop, and it makes a memory dex that's a purse, and it's really cute. And then it also has these bathing suits, super cute. And I got, this is not from KS Craft, but I just thought it was so adorable. Let me take it out because the sticker is like covering it up. I don't remember what like seller I don't remember what seller this was, but I just had to have the balloon animal. I was like, I just got to have that balloon animal dog. But it also comes with candles and hearts, and I don't even know what that says. What does that say? I can't even tell. I literally wanted the balloon animal. So there's that one. And let's see what else we got. I got these. I wanted to get some more white ones because I used them all when I made the cute like swan tassels that I had made. So these have, I like these because, let me open it all the way. I like them because they're bottle caps, and I like them because they have rhinestones. They're actually plastic, they're not metal. And then they have little holes in them so you can stick a jump ring in. So you just, you know, put an image on there, glue it on, and then put like a epoxy sticker over the top. So got that, and let's see what else we got. Putting some stuff over to the side so it's easier to show you. So this is Home Shopping Network. Let me show you this really quick. So this is from Anna Griffin. This is the Home Shopping Network, and this is called the Birthday Party Dies, and I thought it was so cute. So it comes with all the dies to do, you know, these really cute cards or, you know, whatever you want to do. And I just love the circus tent and the banner and the unicorn. I just thought these were super cute, and I'll show you what the dies look like. So here's the dies. Just super fun balloons, the cake stand. Then you have the big cupcake, the banner. Then here's the circus tent and the unicorn. Just super fun. And then I also got these from Home Shopping Network. I thought I'd try these out. These are EK Tools, and they're decorative scissors. So they cut out those wavy shapes. And let's see what else we got in here. Oh, I got a bag of these from Amazon. I wanted to get a smaller amount, but they didn't have a smaller amount. So it's just a bunch of little bottles that you can put your glue in. And here's what it looks like. So it comes with this little teeny tiny little tip, and then you put this on, and then you close it up, and then you can cover up the tip with this. So I figure I'm just going to take some of my bigger bottles of glue and put them in here, and then put away the bigger bottles of glue so that I have more room in my drawers and stuff. And let's see, speaking of glue, I had to get more glue. So I got more of my art glitter glue. They had the best price on Amazon. I was going to go to the website and buy it, but it was a better deal. And art glitter glue was selling it. They were the seller on Amazon, so they still get the money for it, so I'm happy about that. And then I got labeling pockets, self-adhesive labeling pockets. And I know a lot of people were getting these from Target at one time, and I don't know if they only have them during the school year, but I thought these would just be good to put on projects and stick things in them. So they're clear. They have a white backing that you just peel off, so they do end up being clear, and you can just stick things in them. And then they also come with paper that fits perfectly inside them, so if you wanted to label something in your house, you could, and then just stick it on there. So there was 25 of those in that pack. And I got a couple more things from KS Craft that I want to show you. I got this die, which I'm going to have to open it up and show you, but it makes this really pretty pocket. Yeah, I'm going to have to open it even further to show it to you. But it makes this gorgeous pocket, and it has all these cute little sentiments as well. Why do my fingers not want to work just because I'm making a video right now? I swear. Like, whenever you're making a video, you like forget words. Like, you look at something and you cannot remember like what the name of it is. And your hands don't work properly. I don't know why that is. But anyway, so here's what the pocket looks like. And then there's that. And then it also comes with words like this one says blessed, and it's got like the background with it. And heartfelt, which is cute. And then this one says What does this one say? I don't know what this one says. Friend, perfect, lovely, and I don't know what the top one says. I don't know. I have no idea. I don't know why I can't read that. I can read all the other ones, but I can't. It's like G. Awesome. It says awesome. I'm like, what does that say? It looked like a G, but it's actually an A. So anyway, that was my haul from Amazon, guys, and Home Shopping Network. So I hope you enjoyed that. I hope everybody's doing great. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye.